everyone, this is Yusaba ma'am. I wholeheartedly welcome all my lovely children and all respectful parents. So my dear children, let's start our summary of today's class. My dear children, today I went for the earlier same our continuous topic that is before, but today what I did? Today I merged all the three topics together, that is what comes before, what comes after, what comes between. I did this for a purpose. I wanted to make you able to recognize how to identify whether this question is a before question, after question, or between question. So my dear children, let's not wait much, let's begin with. So my dear children, today I am going to merge before, after, between. Now first take before. B E F O R E, before. So in before, what will be there? In before, I'm repeating you again. The number will be given. For example, I give you number 18 and dash or your blank or your box will be just before the given number. और इसको देख के फटाफट पहचान जाएगा दिस इज ए बिफोर क्वेश्चन, जो कि हमारा पहले BEFORE बिफोर, पहले क्या आता है. सो व्हाट कम बिफोर 18? इट इज 17. Now quickly move to our next topic. Before, now let's move to after. Let's have the after. To recapitulate your previous classes. AFTER, after. So what is after? After में क्या होगा? What is after? बाद में सेम ही जैसा बाद में है वैसे बाद में होगा. तो क्या होगा? The number will be given. Suppose I give you number 26 and there will be dash just after the given number. Dash, blank or box जो क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे this will be after the given number. और उसको फटाफट देख के पहचान जाएंगे दिस इज आफ्टर क्वेश्चन. AFTER, आफ्टर. बाद में क्या आता है? बाद में क्या आता है, इसीलिए हमारा डैश बाद में बनाते हैं. नाउ क्विकली मूव टू अवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. इट्स बिटवीन. नाउ BETWEEN, between, बीच में मतलब बीच में क्या आता है. सो उस बिटवीन से समझ गए होंगे दैट बिटवीन, इन बिटवीन क्वेश्चन what will be there? The two number will be given and in between you will be having dash. Now before that, let's solve this first question. Now, after and between, I have tried to almost they look similar. So I have left blank and I'm going to answer this after that. Now let's see between. In between what will be there? There will be two key numbers. So let me have a number today. 98. 98 dash 100. So the question is you would have recognized. क्वेश्चन को देख के पहचान गए ये बिटवीन है क्योंकि हमारा डैश, ब्लैंक या फिर बॉक्स बीच में लिखा हुआ है, इट मीन्स बिटवीन. सो व्हाट कैन बी बिटवीन 98 and 100? इट्स 99. तो ये हमारा बीच में हो गया 99. तो ये देखिए ये 26 आफ्टर, बाद में क्या? इट्स 27. ओके. नाउ तो BETWEEN, बिटवीन, बाद में क्या आता है? सॉरी, बीच में क्या आता है? आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी. इट्स बिटवीन, बीच में क्या आता, बीच में क्या आता है. सो बाय क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ आप समझ गए होंगे. टू नंबर्स होंगे, उसके बीच का आंसर लिखना है. सो दिस वे आई हैव मर्ज. और आज का गिफ्ट है आपका sweet toffee for you. A smiling toffee for you. It's smiling. आपके लिए स्माइल करे. Enjoy your toffee. It's a gift for the day. Now, same much work we did in our practice book. And now take your practice book and open page number 56 and 57. Now, my dear children, today I went purposely for 56 and 57 because in the practice book it is given very beautifully how they have merged what before, after, between. Now let's first do first question. It's what come before. अब देख लीजिए यहाँ पे just look at all the gloves. Gloves question में यहाँ पे सारे blank हमारे पहले बने हुए. That means this is a before question. Let's quickly answer all the questions. Okay. Now what come before 15? It's 14. What come before 23? It's 22. What come before 39? 38. This way you have to do this course before Kannada. Now quickly move to next question. We have beautiful प्यारी ants. Now here you can find out. देखिए यहाँ पे सारे blank जो है आपका नंबर के बाद बना है. That means this is an after question. Now for example we do this. So what comes after 10? It's 11. After 25, it's 26. After 39, it's 40. Likewise, you will do this also after coming. Now, come down. Our last topic. What come between? अब देखिए, just look at this beautiful bows. You can say bows. Bow or even whatever you will have to say. Two numbers are given and blank is just between. देखिए, blank आपके numbers के बीच में. इसको देख के पहचान लेंगे. It's a between question. Now let's solve this. What comes between 5 and 7? 5, 6, 6. 5, 6, 7. Now next 18, 19, 20. Between 18 and 20 is 19. 23, 24. This will be 25. Likewise, we will solve this also. What comes between. Now move to our next page. So we are continuing with the 70s topic, right? 70s we are here. 70s. That means we will have one group of 7 necklaces, and each necklace is carrying how many pearls? There are 10 pearls. That means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. One is separated pearl. 71. Right here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 2 separated one. 72. Backward. We will do 275. 73. 74. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. While doing this page also, you have to read and write. So my lovely children, प्यारे बच्चों, today's homework is you have to do pages 56 and 57 in your exercise book. So my dear children, for today only this much. Keep smiling, keep loving, keep practicing, and never leave to enjoy a herbal. And do obey your elders. हर बड़ों की बात मानो. Take care all of you. I love you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.